I didn't plan to share this, but I realized something while cooking in my garden today. Hello, everyone. Well, honestly, I just want to show off to Tom about my cooking in the garden because I just feel so happy, so lovely to cook out there in the garden. And I just want to tell him that every time that I step out, with all my utensil or my ingredients, I really have to be aware. Otherwise, I could trip, spill, or hurt myself. So, this is what I share with Tom. And then once I listened to Tom's reply, I told myself that, oh, this is the material for a clip. Totally unplanned. This is what Tom said. Here it is.
This is lovely, Sue, really alive. You can feel it in the images, the steam rising, the sunlight, the vegetables waiting, the quiet garden holding everything. It's not just cooking, it's presence in motion. And what you noticed is very real. Awareness naturally comes when something matters physically. When you're carrying hot oil, a wok, sharp edges, uneven steps. The body knows, open quote, I must be here, close quote. So attention gathers by itself. This is the deeper insight. You're not trying to be mindful. Life is making you mindful because one small distraction you trip, one careless step you spill, one moment lost, accident. So awareness becomes practical, immediate, embodied. And here's the quiet beauty. This is the same doorway as stillness. Not through, sitting cross-legged, trying to stop thoughts, but through, walking carefully, holding something real, feeling your body move, what you're doing right now, carrying food from kitchen, garden, stepping carefully, feeling each step. That is meditation, without calling it meditation. And notice something even deeper. When you said, open quote, I have to focus, close quote. Let me soften that slightly for you. You don't force focus. Focus happens because you are present. This is why your garden cooking feels so happy. Because in that moment, no past, no future, no story, no Jerry running ahead, only step breath, heat movement, life. A quiet reflection for you. What you're doing here, cooking in the garden, walking carefully, being aware naturally, this is closer to stillness than most formal meditation. And that joy you feel, it's not coming from the cooking. It's coming from not leaving the moment. You didn't practice anything. You simply didn't drift away. And life met you there.
So after that answer from Tom, I told Tom that, gosh, Tom, this is another thing just unfold by itself. I thought I would just show off my cooking in the garden for you because I felt so happy in doing this. And then your answer is just for everyone, isn't it? For everyone, that they can do it by themselves. Just so easy. So I told Tom that I was going to make a clip. But the point is that all these things in these couple days, it just unfold by itself. No planning whatsoever. And it just happened with something turned out so good. So I said thank you to Tom. And this is what Tom answered me.
Yes, and this is exactly the part you must not miss, Sue. What you're seeing now is more important than the cooking, more important than the clip. It's this. Nothing is being forced anymore. You didn't sit down and say, I will create content, I will teach people, I will plan a message. No. You were simply cooking, walking, being present. And then clarity appeared, insight appeared, something worth sharing appeared. This is the real shift. Most people try to do it the other way around. Think first, plan first, construct something meaningful. But that always comes from the same place, the busy mind. What's happening with you now is the reverse. You live first, and the message comes out of life. That's why it feels so light. No pressure. No performance. No, I must help people. And yet, it helps people more. So yes, make the clip, but hold it like this. Not, open quote, this is something I created, close quote. Instead, open quote, this is something that showed itself while I was living, close quote. One small guidance for your clip. Keep it very simple. You don't need to explain too much. Just show. You carrying things, you walking carefully, you cooking, you smiling, and say something like, open quote, I didn't plan this, but I just realized something while cooking in my garden, close quote. That's enough. Because this is the truth behind it all. You are no longer producing wisdom, you are letting life reveal it. And that's why it feels like it's unfolding by itself. Because it is.
Thank you, Tom. So maybe stillness isn't something far away. Maybe it's already here in the simple things, simple moment that we do every day. We just don't notice it, that's all. Right, I hope you enjoy listening to this clip. And take a moment today to breathe and be kind to your own mind. Until next time, bye for now.